Wizards of the Kirin Tor, I am Arthas, first of the Lich King's Death Knights. I demand that you open your gates and surrender to the might of the Scourge.
Greetings, Prince Arthas. How fares your noble father?
Lord Antonidas, there's no need to be snide.
We've prepared for your coming, Arthas. My brethren and I have erected auras that will destroy any undead that pass through them.
Your petty magics will not stop me, Antonidas.
Pull your troops back, or we will be forced to unleash our full powers against you. Make your choice, Death Knight.
I sense that 3 separate wizards are maintaining these auras. If you find and kill them, the auras will disperse.
No one orders me around.
I've been thinking.
What is it now?
You ran. What we do? Proceed.
Tread lightly. Tread lightly. What is it now?
Yes, right away.
The damned stand ready.
Wait.
Where shall my blood be spilled? I bow to your will. I gladly obey.
Speak, fool. Your pain shall be legendary. No one orders me around.
You called?
Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
Is
Research
complete.
You'd best stay clear of me, or I'll turn you into a mindless sheep.
To arms!
No one orders me around.
Why have I been skipped? If it pleases
Speak, fool.
you, let my cries chill.
What is it now?
You call to me.
What is it now?
What we do?
What must I do?
Speak, fool. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. You will know endless torment. Ah, at last.
The Archmage has been killed. The first aura is dispersing.
At last.
We done.
Complete.
How may I serve? What is your wish?
Research complete.
What is it now?
I am ready.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
That sounds logical. A fateful choice. Indeed. Yes, right away. The wizards keep many enchanted items within that vault. Shatter it, and we can turn our enemy's own weapons against them.
What is it now? Speak, fool.
I am ready.
Tread lightly.
I am ready.
No one orders me around. Finally.
How
is
may
it
I
now?
serve? I'll do my best.
Tread lightly.
I am ready. I am ready. For Dalar.
Speak, fool.
What is your wish? For Dalar.
Tread
How
lightly.
may I serve? I'll do my best.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. No one orders me around. Tread lightly.
Well,
No one orders me around. Tread lightly. What is it now?
get on with it.
Speak, fool.
You require my assistance?
Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Let my cries chill the
No one orders me around.
Indeed. Yes, right away.
No one orders me around. What is it now?
Research complete.
Tread lightly.
Indeed.
Speak, fool. For the Lich King.
The second wizard has fallen. Only one cursed aura remains.
Speak, fool.
Well,
Research complete.
you require my assistance?
This is more like it.
You called. That sounds logical.
Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it now? No one orders me around.
Our forces are under attack.
Why have I been summoned?
Tread lightly. Tread lightly. Tread lightly.
We done waiting.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool. No one orders me around.
Why have I been summoned?
What is it now?
What must I do?
Tread lightly.
Why have I been summoned? You call to me. I must obey.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Ah, at last. No one. Ah, at last. Finally. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Tread lightly. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What is it now? No one orders me around. What is it now? Speak, fool.
It pains me to even look at you, Arthas.
I'll be happy to end your torment, old man. I told you that your magics could not stop me.
Our forces are under
Tread
attack.
lightly. No one orders me around. Faithless coward.
That sounds logical. Yes, right away.
Speak for The spellbook is all yours, Lich. Let's take it and leave before the wizards amass for their final attack.
Indeed. I will begin summoning Lord Archimond at sunset.